Swash Hair Care products make it easy to wash hair with no need to rinse. With Swash, the hair washing process takes only a few minutes because the need to turn or move the body is reduced. This ensures minimal stress for both care recipient and caregiver. Swash shampoo cap also further reduces the risk of contamination, waste, and unnecessary spillage during washing. Let's see how to use Swash. Tell the care recipient what you are going to do and put on a pair of disposable gloves or follow the hygiene protocol of your institution. Start by heating the shampoo cap according to the instructions on the package, or you can use it at room temperature. If possible, put the care recipient in a comfortable sitting position. Open the package and check the temperature of the shampoo cap. Remember, disposable gloves reduce your sensitivity to heat. Place the shampoo cap on the head. If the care recipient has long hair, make sure that all the hair is inside the cap and the ears are free. To saturate the hair with shampoo, gently massage the hair through the shampoo cap for 2 to 3 minutes. The duration of the massage depends on the length and quantity of the hair. Remove the cap, dry the hair thoroughly with a towel, and comb the hair into the usual style. Throw the empty package and the bathing cap in the bin. Help the care recipient in a comfortable position. Swash is safe to use on all types of skin. Before use, verify if the care recipient is sensitive or allergic to one or more of the ingredients. Don't use on non-intact skin and/or open wounds. Take feelings, comfort, and privacy of the patient into consideration. Each package is for individual use only. Only suitable for external use. Swash shampoo cap can be used cold or warm. Check the heating instructions on the package. Do not use if it is too hot. Disposable gloves reduce the sensitivity to heat. Do not flush the cap down the toilet. Throw the empty Swash package and the cap in the bin.